Some benefits that prove that screen doors are perfect for residential space. There was a time when doors and windows were used just to ensure privacy and security of home. The time has changed, and so our way of living. Doors play a more important role than you might realize and are considered as an important aspect of home decor. For many homeowners, doors are a significant interior decorating tool. They are not only solving the issue of privacy and security, but they own many hearts with their style and aesthetic beauty. Though doors are a minor element in the entire house designing scheme, they can provide architectural detail and style to your home. Besides, they can add enough interest to your living spaces and make them more appealing and attractive. SDF molded doors are a nice option for residential spaces and are widely appreciated for their smooth finishing, perfect carving, elegant designs, and fine polishing. These doors are commonly known as screen doors. Screen doors are laminated with SDF skin